it's creating one of the largest behemoths in the media sector. A large merger and acquisition that we are seeing in the media and entertainment sector, and that is being created by two large units, two large companies, Reliance Industries and Walt Disney Company. So the details and most anticipated deal this has been, and the details are out right now. In fact, Reliance and Disney strategic joint venture has been announced, where Reliance is going to invest 11,500 crore rupees in this particular joint venture. Now, hold your breath. This particular joint venture, as per the media release by Reliance Industries, is valued at $8.5 billion in terms of post money. So mark that particular point. And also in terms of the structuring, Reliance Industries is going to own 16.34% in this joint venture. 46.82% will be held by Viacom18 and 36.84% by Disney. Now also remember that when we talk about the coming together of these two media giants in India, they're going to create a behemoth. The revenues for the combined entity as of last year was about 25,000 odd crore rupees. And we're talking about a combined television entertainment channels, which are in numbers over 100. We are talking about the streaming platforms like Hotstar, Disney, as well as Jio Cinema. And also remember that Disney owns the majority stake in Tata Play. And on the other hand, sports. Let's talk about that. Uday Shankar's pet here in Viacom18 as well. And sports assets and portfolio is going to be the largest that we have seen, whether it's an Indian or international sporting event. So we are talking about, say, IPL, as well as ICC, BCCI rights, as well as even NBA, Olympics, and even Kabaddi, Pro Kabaddi League. So we are talking about a huge, really, platform being created in media and entertainment with a large chunk in sports. Mangalam is with me. Mangalam, what do you make of this large transaction?
Well, two things. You know, one, this transaction was widely reported, widely anticipated, and now we have it. There were multiple reports at multiple times valuing the company anywhere between $4 billion to about $8 to $10 billion as well. But now we do have the data that it is valued at around $8 billion itself. Importantly, you know, not only will it have 25,000 crores in revenue as a combined entity, if you compare that to all the others, we have Z, which is around 8,000 crores in terms of revenue, Times Group, estimated revenue of close to around 8,000 crores, Sony close to around 7,000 crores as well. And then you have Sun TV, which reported its last 12-month revenues of close to 3,800 crores. So head and shoulders above the size, you know, in terms of revenue when it comes to the media industry itself. Two more details that we have, it will be chaired by Nita Ambani, and, you know, then we will have Uday Shankar as well as, you know, the CEO of the combined entity. We do have Shireen joining us as well. Uday Shankar will be the vice chairperson of the JV. Nita Ambani will be the chairperson of the joint venture itself. Shireen, it was expected and now it's finally happened. Mukesh Ambani and Mickey Mouse have shaken hands.
Yes, and it is a big one, Mangalam, as you rightly pointed out. This has been expected and anticipated, but it is now a done deal. Reliance Industries, Viacom18 and Walt Disney have signed a binding definitive agreement to form that joint venture. Viacom18 will be merged into Star India, and the company will invest 11,500 crore rupees into the joint venture. Once again, for the benefit of our viewers who might just be joining in, Reliance will hold about 16.34% in the joint venture. Viacom will hold 46.82% and Disney will hold 36.84%. The joint venture will be controlled by Reliance and of course this will bring in a massive transformation as far as the media and the entertainment space is concerned. But Mangalam, just a word, as far as the valuation is concerned, Reliance clearly seems to have driven a hard bargain.
Reliance has driven a hard bargain, Shireen, you know, because earlier the valuations were much in double digits as far as you know, the numbers are concerned, over $10 billion itself. The hard bargain comes for a couple of factors as well. One, the fact that, Disney's in India business wasn't doing particularly well. If you look at the Disney Hotstar subscribers, over the last year or so, between September 2022 and September 2023, nearly 2.5 crore subscribers had deserted the Disney Plus Hotstar platform, and this coincided with the rise that we saw of Jio Cinema subscribers as well. Three key reasons for that. The first one was the stiff competition that Hotstar faced from Jio Cinema's content. Secondly, they didn't have IPL as an offering on Disney Plus Hotstar, and HBO content went away to Jio Cinema as well. So all these factors, along with its own business not doing particularly well in India, caused Reliance to go ahead and drive that hard bargain. And in doing so, Reliance will also get the benefit of all the sports properties that Disney Plus Hotstar and Disney's India business enjoys in the country itself right now. So those are a bunch of things that we'll be watching out for too.